west.
And we've certainly had some downpours, and those downpours are mainly across our easternmost communities. We'll get to radar in just a moment. There's a live view from Afton Mountain, and the fog is kind of mixed out because of some of the rain, but it will likely settle back in. So be mindful if you are traveling this evening and tonight. Certainly the ridge tops and the mountain tops will see more of that fog. Heaviest rain by far has been near and around the I-95 corridor throughout the day. Some of the heaviest rain through Spotsylvania County now, beginning to clip eastern sections of Orange and working toward the Culpeper area, and that may persist for a while. But out farther to the west, the rain's a lot lighter. Yes, we're receiving rainfall. So far today, some of the higher amounts have been across our easternmost communities in and around the Route 15 corridor, with amounts over half an inch. But this is some moderate to heavy rain along Route 3 coming out of Spotsylvania through portions of Orange out toward the Wilderness and out toward Culpeper. You can see some of those heavier downpours. There we are near Flat Run in the Stevensburg area out toward the Wilderness. Here we are across Charlottesville, Standardsville, Madison. The rain is still ongoing, but a lot lighter, and then it's either tapered off or very light across portions of the Shenandoah Valley at this time. Some lighter rain in and around the Dillwyn area and up into Fluvanna. So there's a wider perspective of the radar. We have an area of low pressure across the Carolinas, an area of low pressure aloft, a cold pool of air, and again, that heavier rain focused just off to our east. So we're not going to get the 1 to 2+ inches of rainfall. That'll be farther east, but again, we're looking maybe an additional 1/4 to half an inch with the heaviest amounts near and east of the Route 15 corridor. Temperatures right now are pretty much where they've been all day, hanging out in the mid to upper 40s. Certainly cold. Our average daytime highs in the mid to upper 60s. Now tomorrow the wind's going to be more out of the north, and that's going to again continue to make for some chilly temperatures or cool temperatures. And overnight lows don't move a whole lot, low and mid 40s, and then during the day tomorrow it's more clouds than any rain, but those northerly winds keep numbers in the low and mid 50s. Now the brighter of the weekend days will be Sunday. Temperatures consequently will rise back into the mid 60s, and again that is a lot more seasonable here for April. So there's the storm system slowly meandering its way toward the coast, where there's been more sun today. Portions of the Carolinas have had some storms that have produced some significant hail. High pressure out to the west will start to edge in our direction, but it'll take a while to move this farther north, and that most of that rain tomorrow will be up across the northeast, up into New England. The warm air, well, it's out west. Look at all this warmth here. We've been under this pattern of this spring chill thanks to this dip in the jet stream that's just going to slowly edge out by Sunday into Monday, but it'll be replaced back next week with temperatures turning a little cooler again. So here we are tonight, still dealing with the rain. Again, the steadiest rain east of Charlottesville. In the morning, lots of low clouds, fog, maybe a leftover shower, drizzle. Temperatures in the low and mid 40s. During the day, we still hold on to a lot of cloud cover. There could be a spotty shower, but skies will start to brighten by Sunday. Afternoon highs will top out in the mid to upper 60s and much warmer by Monday. So additional showers tonight, some drizzle, areas of fog, low and mid 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We'll call it a split weekend. Cool temperatures and cloudy there for your Saturday. Brighter skies and warmer here on Sunday. Monday's warm ahead of the next front. Next week we're back in the 60s, more April-like.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Fifth graders